What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your iPhone's display color back to its normal or default settings. Sometimes, your iPhone might display unusual colors due to certain accessibility settings being enabled, either accidentally or by someone else. Here's how to restore the normal color settings on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This section contains settings that help improve the device's usability for those with vision, physical or hearing impairments. Within Accessibility, find and tap on Display and Text Size. This menu includes options that affect how content is displayed on your screen. Here, scroll down and find Color Filters. Tapping on this will show you whether any color filter is active, which might be altering the display colors of your iPhone. If the color filter switch is turned on, tap on it to turn it off. Disabling this will revert the colors of your display back to the default settings. Sometimes, the color issues might be due to Smart Invert or Classic Invert settings that invert the colors of your display. Check these settings as well, which are also located in the Display and Text Size menu. If either is enabled, turn them off to restore normal coloration. After adjusting these settings, exit out of Settings and check your display to see if the colors have returned to normal. By following these steps, you can quickly fix any unintended changes to your iPhone's display colors. This is particularly useful if you or someone else has altered the standard view settings, affecting how colors appear across apps and features. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.